You are going to love the 2011 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, brake assist, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.